Hi, this is a quick tutorial of how to screen share. So follow along. We're going to be doing this a couple times this year. The first thing you're going to need to do will be to open up your website that you're going to share. I have the K-12 homepage open here. And to make it look better, I'm going to just size my window down a bit so it can fit within this box here. You'll be able to see after you screen share a bit better, but it's going to be able to fit in here. This way, the toolbars and the side box over here are not covering it. It's really important to have whatever you're going to share with me open before you start to screen share. So then I'm going to click back into Blackboard, and I'm going to come up here to these two double boxes up here where it says application sharing. I'm going to click on those boxes. This pop-up comes up saying about elevated privileges, and click OK. Now when this box comes up, you have a couple options. What you're going to want to do is either share your entire desktop, but that will let me see everything that you have on your desktop, whatever windows you have open. What I want you to do is select the program you're using that you want to share with me. So for example, that website that I wanted to share with you was in Firefox. So I'm going to click on Firefox. And you see, you can even specify, it shows you what tabs are open. But if you click on Firefox, it's going to open all of Firefox. So then click Share. And then it's going to open Firefox. So because I have a couple extra tabs open, it opened both of these. But here, so now this is your view. And see, you can still see me over here. You can still see all of the Blackboard information, but now you can see the website. This yellow box around the side means I can see it too. Everything selected by the yellow is what is being shared. So let's go through that again. Here's how we stop sharing. Back to whiteboard. So you'll see this setting. You'll already have your website open. You will go up here to these double boxes, click OK, select the program that you want to share that you have resized down, click Share, and then now you are application sharing. So that's a little tutorial. If you have any questions about how to application share, please let me know.